be making. I've been challenged by Green Bastard in an ongoing rib glazing challenge that was started by Kirby's Fishngrill. So today I'll be making a rib sauce. It will be a rum-based, ketchup-based sauce. I'll be using the Bacardi Oakheart. So let's have a dash at that. Let's see how it turns out. Hang on. Okay, the ingredients I'm going to use for this barbecue sauce is just about a cup of chopped onion, 3-4 cloves of chopped garlic, ketchup, just about 500 milliliters or 2 cups, just about a half a cup of lime juice, some Dijon mustard, 4 teaspoons of that, and some Bacardi, the main star in this thing, the Bacardi Oakheart. Nice one. And of course a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. And then I'm gonna boil it all together. So hang tight. Okay, the burner is on. Adding some vegetable oil. Bring it up to some temperature. And I'm adding the onions. I'll be sweating them down until they're translucent. Adding also the garlic. Saute these for a couple of minutes. Okay, onions have sauteed, translucent. So adding ketchup, going with the whole bottle here. 2 cups. I also forgot earlier I'm also adding some molasses. Just about half a cup of that. Oh, this is sticky and messy. That's, oh yeah. Then I'll be adding also some brown sugar. Forgot to add that to the lineup as well. A couple of spoons. It's gonna be a sweet one. Be adding the Dijon mustard, 4 tablespoons. Just gonna whisk this together so it doesn't burn. Getting a nice color to it. Then I'm adding the lime juice, just about half a cup. And of course some Worcestershire sauce. roughly 4 teaspoons, or tablespoons, of course. Sorry. Now, star of the show, the Oakheart. The Oakheart. Just about a half a cup or a cup or so. As much or as little as you like. Okay, bringing this all together. Ooh, what a smell of that rum. Okay, I'm gonna bring this up to a simmer, low heat, stir every now and then. I'm anticipating maybe 20-30 minutes to thicken it up. Oh, another thing I forgot. I'm also adding some Tabasco habanero sauce. A few dashes to your likings. Okay, the sauce has thickened very well up. Time to let it cool off. Just for a small heads up, today, due to the weather and my time limit for cooking, I'm using some pre-cooked spare ribs. So they are shitty ribs, but a fantastic sauce. So let's have a look at the ribs and sauce them up. Okay, as you can see, not the best ribs in the world. This sauce, that's gonna be the better part of this. But it is the sauce that is the main thing here now. So the barbecue. That's rum sauce. Much better already. I'm sorry for doing this the lazy way, but as I said, it's due to time. I also have a night shift work today. Bad weather coming in, so that's all the good excuses I have. But hey, you can blame Green Bastard for this. Nice. Okay, second round of saucing. Sauce smell actually very good. Right, just a minute or two, I'll have a test. Okay, these ribs are nothing to write home about, but the sauce. Let's evaluate that. Definitely can taste the lime, a bit sweet from the ketchup, the molasses, and definitely a hint of rum in it. Okay, this was my contribution to that ongoing Ribglace challenge. Hope you try the sauce, because that was really good, and I would definitely make that again with some real ribs done on my VSM or smoker. That will be much better than these pre-cooked sous vide ribs. So anyway, thanks for watching. I don't know if I'll challenge someone. Check the description if I challenge someone. Okay, thanks for watching. Cheers for now.